Hey! 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 What are you doing at her? What are you doing? Who are you? Give her the mic. Who are you? Rebellion. How are you going to destroy her? How do you think? Guess what? We cancel all your covenants and I cancel all your plans. Oh yeah, I do. No? Why not? Tell me why not.
Because I said.
Because your word means nothing. Is there a covenant? Is there a blood? Ah! Is there? Answer me.
Yeah.
How many generations? 7.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. I send the angel of God back 7 generations. Come on. I send the angels of God. I send the angels of God back 7 generations. Here we go. Angels go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every altar with her name on it, with her DNA. Every altar with her blood, family, bloodline on it. You die by fire. I send the angels of God. I send the angels of God with the blood of Jesus. I send the angels of God with the blood of Jesus to every altar. First generation, second generation, third, 4, 5, 6, 7 generations of altars. We break them by the fire of God. I break them by the blood of Jesus. You let her go now. Let her go now. Go, go, go.